Hello friends, welcome to my channel How It Works. Today I'm going to unbox Redmi Note 10s. The MRP is 17,000, but in Amazon we can get it around 15,000 rupees. The main highlights are this is a completely made in India product. And it comes with MediaTek Helio G95 processor, and it has all important features that a mid-range usually have, like it has a 500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charger and a 64 MP main shooter with the quad camera setup and AMOLED display with the 6.63 inch AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. This is a 6GB 64GB variant. Let's quickly unbox this and see how the device looks like. This is the device. Let's see what else is there in the box. I think this is a SIM ejector tool with TPU cover inside. Some usual manuals. Yeah, the TPU cover is decent. Let's keep all these things aside and see. This is the 33 watts fast charger. Xiaomi provides same charger for all high-end mobiles as well. With this charger we can charge the battery up to 60% in 30 minutes. This is a Type-C USB cable, usual stuff. There is no 3mm jack adapter. That means the device must have the 3mm port for connecting your headphones. No need of buying any adapter. This is a deep sea blue variant with the silver shade. The design almost looks like Xiaomi 11X, including the camera setup. And the device is very sleek and weighing around 178 grams, much less than Xiaomi 11X. In fact, I'm surprised how Redmi was able to manage below 180 grams with 5000 mAh battery. So right side we have volume rockers and a power on button with the integrated fingerprint scanner. And the screen is a 6.63 inch AMOLED dot display. As per Xiaomi, this provides a 15% power efficient AMOLED display. And this is an 8-bit display, so whereas the 11X is a 10-bit display which is supposed to provide more color range. And it comes with a dual stereo speakers on both the sides, so it must provide good surround sound when you are watching high definition videos. Coming to the camera, it's a 64 MP main shooter with 8 MP ultra wide lens and 2 MP and 3 MP micro and depth sensors. The sensors that have been used for the main shooter are Sony. Also it comes with an IR blaster which can be used as a remote of your home appliances like television and AC. The SIM slot is a non-hybrid SIM slot. That means we can have two SIMs plus a micro SD card. This is the 3mm port for connecting your headphones or earphones. Yeah, let me quickly set up the device and we will see how the display and camera looks like. Power on the device. So this is an AMOLED display, so it comes with always on display option, which will provide a feature called always on display, so that you can have the notifications on the clock as without actually turning on the device, so which is very helpful during the night times to see the notifications on the clock. And also we can customize what to see on the always on display. So the screen brightness levels, as you're seeing, they are very good because it's an AMOLED display, so even if you use it with full brightness, the power consumption may not be that much high. Let's get into the camera, see what all features are available. So whatever you are seeing, they are usually you will get in any mid-range phone, but it comes with a slow motion video recorder as well. Apart from that, all remaining things or regular features. Under the video mode, in Xiaomi 11X actually we have a dual video recorder. That means we can record the video using selfie camera as well as the main shooter simultaneously. But that feature is not available in this particular Redmi Note 10s. So in the always on display, we have certain options like a double tap to wake up the device, a double tap to lock the device. And apart from that, there are two modes provided. One is dark theme and the other one is light theme. And also we can schedule the dark theme. So when the device is in dark theme, all applications will be opened in dark theme, so that it is very helpful in the night time. I have not done much testing on the camera, but let's see one or two snaps indoor, how they look like. This snap is taken inside the room with very less lighting, without flash, so I was able to capture it nicely. That's all friends. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. and stay tuned to my channel for future updates. Thank you.